Got Dustin out here. It's still August 6th. It is 7:54, and we're going to go for round 2 of our Milford Lake channels. They kind of beat my butt last time. I think we walked around it with like a little over 7 pounds, like right at 7.17. Well, we don't have a 45-mile-an-hour wind tonight, so hopefully that'll help us out. The one thing is they're really pulling water out of the lake, so everything is low, which is fine because that's what we're going to be focusing on, about that 3 foot of water tonight. I'm going to go up here, hopefully have better luck in getting shad than what I did this morning when it was me and Kyle, and we'll get down there and get set up. Alright, I'll see you guys when we get down here. Shoot 'em. So for you guys that want to come up here in Milford and you want a quick place to get a shad, right here, this is the causeway. The bridge goes into Wakefield. You can usually come up here anytime and catch shad. There we go. So like I was saying, this side of the pillar for some reason always provides good for me. Alright, as you can see, I got more than enough shad in here for what we're going to be fishing for tonight. Down on top of my ice. Dump that water out. I don't have a drain plug in my boat, so what I do is I just set my cooler right down there. That way they don't sit in the ice. As it melts, it just runs down and out. Alright. Alright guys, so Kyle and Tess said they didn't catch anything here. It's 8:17. I just got the poles in the water. I just brought medium and medium light poles tonight. I figured that'd be fun. Make the fish feel a bit bigger. Because we're out here looking for channels, you know. These are more capable of handling a 20-pound channel just fine. They all got 15-pound trialing big game on them. Well, one of them's got 12-pound trialing big game on it, but still, I caught plenty of big fish on 12-pound. Bunch of little shad jumping around us. So, hopefully it'll get interesting soon. Alright guys, 9:02. So much shad up in here jumping. So much. Caught fish here this morning. I've been getting lots of little bites. And man, it's hard pressed for me to leave this area. But I think as the day went by, they moved out a little bit deeper. And I think they're going to come back in here. I just think it's going to be later in the morning. You know, it's 9 o'clock right now. I'm going to give this place 10 more minutes if I don't get a fish, and I'm going to move. Oh, there we go, right there. He ain't big, but he's a fish. He ain't big at all. Oh, look at that, a jumping catfish. But you know what? It's the species we wanted too. Look at that, fellas. Oh! No, it ain't a channel either. It's a blue. It's a little blue. Tell you what, that couldn't have happened at a more perfect time though, could it? Yeah, that's a little blue. Yeah. let him go back. He ain't the species we wanted. You guys see him jump out? I wish you could have seen him jump out of the water right there. Alright, Secret 7's on the board. I didn't even hear him pull a pose. I just heard him over there splashing. Another little blue. Alright, Shad just got another hit. Oh, Secret 7's going. Oh, he's a good fish here. Well, it may just feel like a good fish on this light action rod. Well, it's a medium light. Sometimes it's fun just to come out here and be like a kid again. Oh, take that drag, buddy. Oh yeah, we got the good channel. That's what we're in here for. That's what we're in here for. Good channel. Oh! Well, I'm gonna get the net out of the back of the boat and bring it up here now. I'm not going to get a chance to talk about the setups that I was using tonight, but on the left side of the boat I was using Secret 7 with a 3/0 circle hook with a 1 ounce weight, and on the right side of the boat I was using cut shad with a 3/0 circle hook and 1 ounce of no roll sinkers. And I was focusing on those shallow flats and about that 2 foot of water that had a lot of brush piles in it. I didn't get the chance to get the net up here either. Sounds like a pretty good fish back here. I just got the Secret 7 cast back out from that last channel. It's blue. So 2 Secret 7, 2 shad, night crawler still at 0. Alright, let's see if I didn't learn my lesson. Got him. This would be good eating size fish in here. Let's I'm not used to fishing out in front of the boat. I hope I'm not too close to everything. Let's see here. "23 inches. That'd be a legal fish to keep and eat. If I want to keep some, I want to keep a little bit smaller because I'm in the mood for some fiddlers for some reason. Oh, didn't get a hookup though. Yeah, I did. Maybe I can't tell honestly, tricky toad. But it is little. No, he's there. He's just coming with me. feel kind of ridiculous using this big net. I should have brought my little net. But I lost the big channel a while ago. This is a little channel. Man, these bugs are fierce. Alright guys, hey, so I just want to show you guys, so this is the tube that they usually buy. I like to buy these, are little Team Catfish tubes, and I like to run a circle hook, and there's no way I can run a circle hook with that. So what I do is I cut it, of course I have a black one on, what I do is I cut it down, bug blew my throat, to one little knot, and it works just as fine. I can run a circle hook on it. Alright guys, so it's about time for me to practice what I preach. It's been about I was going to say it's about time for me to practice what I preach. It's been about 15-20 minutes I caught fish. It's 9:44 right now. And as soon as I gotta say that, I get a bite on this one. So I want to give it to about 10 more minutes. If I don't get another fish in the boat, then I want to move. Man, bugs are bad here. Stand behind the light. Let's watch this paw. See what it does. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. He's on. He's on. So what happened? Some of those little bitty baby shads. There's just hundreds of them out here. Came by, and that's why I caught all the shad off of. Nothing on the big shad. So I just grabbed one of those and threw my net out. Oh man, I got a guard. Got a guard. Yeah, that's when I get my poles in. What we got? What we got? I think it's a blue. Yeah, it's a blue. Guys, I gotta be honest, that's the first gut, one of the first gut hook, circle hooks I've ever seen. He's about perfect fiddler size, so I think I might actually keep him and eat him. Might catch about 2 or 3 more this size. Let's see if I can get it out. Nah, this thing is pretty deep. I don't want to just cut it. That way, if I don't decide to keep him, I can let him go back and he'll be alive. I don't throw him in the live well right now. But these right here, this is my favorite size, the fiddlers to eat. Just cut the head off, skin him, sore him, batter him up, and fry him. Just like that, instead of filleting him out. Don't put him in the live well. Alright guys, so I don't know what's going on. Sitting here fishing, nothing but beautiful sunny sky, stars in the sky. Alright, so we got out of the shallows. It was touch and go, man. My 30-some years of fishing, I still have never seen nothing like that. I just texted Kyle whenever I felt the pick up a little bit. I said, Kyle, what does the weather say? And he says, nothing until 1:30, then get the hell off the water. It was 2-mile-an-hour wind. And it went from 2-mile-an-hour wind to a 25-mile-an-hour wind. So, I don't know. Hopefully I didn't mess up my big motor or my trolling motor too bad. I couldn't, once I got it going, I had the trolling motor going, the big motor going, and I was pushing a push pole. And one of my transducer wires got in the way. It was stuck down and wouldn't tilt up. So I had to rip it out, rip it up, push the locking mechanism down so it sticks up like it did now. But that's probably like a $300 transducer. I'm like to buy it, so I'm just going to go back to running the internal one. Alright, I'm going to start getting back up here closer to the boat. I'm only doing 8 miles an hour here because that's how rough the water got. Guys, that got crazy. And I guess it's time to inspect all the damage. Oh, hurt my shoulder pretty bad. My bad shoulder. That just goes to show you how dangerous it can get in a hurry. Luckily I got a big boat. This thing is 20 feet long by 70 inches wide at the bottom. It'll beat you to death in rough water, but it can handle it. I'm soaked. I know you guys can't see nothing, but if you can just see the sky, there's none of the stars out. This wasn't forecasted. Even whenever I got out here and got signal back, it said 12-mile-an-hour wind. I fish 20-mile-an-hour wind all the time in this boat, no problem. But I tell you what, I'm going to go tomorrow. I got life jackets on here, obviously, because they're required. But I don't wear them because they're big, they're bulky. Come tomorrow, I'm going to go and I'm going to buy like one of those little $100 little ones where you can just pop the string, little CO2 cartridge, and it blows up. That I got kind of scary. So you got to respect Mother Nature and her fury. I mean, that's crazy. This is probably up to about a 40-mile-an-hour wind out of nowhere. It was like 2 miles an hour. The bugs are all in my face because there's no breeze or nothing. Next thing I know, I felt the little breeze come in. I was like, oh, that's kind of nice to get some of these bugs out of here. And then, oh man, that really hurt my shoulder. It just all opened up. So I'm gonna get the camera out, I'm gonna get out of the boat, do a walk around, see how much damage we made. I'm pretty sure this whole side of the boat is destroyed because when I went to get the trucks, I guess my cable up front came loose, and I got my buoys on that side, but the back here was just off of the boat. Oh man. Gouge is all in the paint. Back here is probably where it's going to get the worst at. Oh yeah. All down through there. Let's check out the motor. The prop. I don't think I did too much damage there. See where I had to rip my trolling wire out because I wanted this, messing my transducer all up. Man, I still got fish in the live well. I gotta get them back in the water. Alright, so obviously we're gonna call it for tonight. But we'll get up in the morning and we're gonna go, I think we'll go fish Gary State Lake. We'll go down there and see what their catfish is like maybe. Hey, look, there's another big one. Alright, I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey, so like I said, I'm gonna post this video even though we didn't get anything done that we wanted to, just as a little bit of awareness to respect Mother Nature. And even whenever nothing's forecasted, especially here in Kansas, it can change in a heartbeat. They always say if you don't like the weather in Kansas, wait 5 minutes. Well, it definitely did it tonight. Alright guys, you guys be safe out there on the water and in the woods whenever you do anything. Deer hunting, you know, deer season's getting close. A lot of you guys are going to be out putting up your deer stands. Make sure you wear your safety harness when you're hanging your deer stands. You know, and just be careful. Keep enjoying the wild, you know, and everything that God gave us, but just be careful while you're doing it. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you on the next video. I'm back home, just trying to get the boat squared back away from the morning. I want you to look. I live 1 block from the boat ramp now. Nothing. Not a single breeze. Is back to a 2-mile-an-hour wind. That's crazy. Alright. See you guys in the morning.